Hello dears, today I'd like to show you one series of our COB LED ship. These ships are usually used in bicycle light. We can custom various colors such as red, blue, yellow, or anything else, or can realize. When it turns on, it is going to form your complete operator like a beautiful ring. This kind of ships are popular for headlight, tail light, and warning light. Of course, but you can also integrate into other cool designs or use for anything else where you need a bright and thin electric ring. We as a professional COB LED manufacturer can custom any colors or shapes or sizes according to your project's requirements. So let me know your cool ideas of your application and let us custom the special COB LED ship only for you. Thank you.